Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies, just doing a little repair here. These floor joists have got a pretty tight crawl space. A few of them have deteriorated the bricks, so you the beam pocket, pretty much what it's called, has lost all of its support and deteriorated away. So I got some structural grout. We're going to do a slow build up underneath this guy, get it nice and flush, and then we'll re-brick that up nice and tight, get that beam tucked in there so it's nice and secure again. See, like this side here, still in those bricks, real nice. Same way here, I'll get this all nice and shored up. It's Jade Alpine Companies. You can follow this project as it progresses on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link and you can watch close to 2,000 videos of my other projects. Thanks for watching. Jade Alpine, a little beam pocket repair.